In this video, I'll show you how to do a copy using your Canon PIXMA MegaTank G3270 and other similar models. So to do so, first you need to open the scan lid here and place your paper. To place your paper, you need to do it facing down with the top part of your page on the left side, like this. Then you're gonna notice there's an arrow over here on this corner. Bring the paper, glide it until the corner of the paper touches the corner of the printer with the arrow. Once you have placed the paper, close the lid. And then we need to go on this display. So over here on the display, you should have this menu. If you do not see it, press once the home button and you should go there. Then press OK once copy is selected. And now we'll have a few settings here that we can change. First of all, the number of copies by default is 1. You can increase and decrease the number with the up and down arrow. Over here, you're gonna also have on which kind of paper the copy will be made. So over here it's letter and it's a standard copy. This is what I want. But if you want to change this, simply select menu here by pressing OK, and you'll be able to change these settings on which kind of paper, plain paper, do you want a standard copy. You will even have more options if you press others here, but I won't go through them since most people just want to make a simple copy on letter size paper. So I'll press the back button here, back button, and when you're ready, you're gonna have two buttons here. If you want a color copy, press the green one down below. If you want a black and white copy, press the top button here. And I want a black and white, so I'll press this one. But before doing this, make sure this paper tray is extended and you have some paper loaded inside of your printer. I'll simply press this button once and it will start automatically. It will scan the document and right away it will come out here. Here we go. I just made a copy of the document that got scanned. So I hope my video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check the Amazon links in the description if you want to get some cheap paper for your printer and at the same time you're supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.